Hello everyone, let's find the value of x in this problem. Solution: we have square root of 6 to the power of 3 plus 3 to the power of 6 equal to 3 root x, and we are looking for the value of x. Now what do? Let's work on the left hand side until we can have something similar to this, something that we can relate to 3 root x. Okay, let's go. Now I want to break 6 to the power of 3 into 2. So when I do that, I'm going to have 2 times 3. So this will be to the power of 3. Then plus here we have 3 to the power of 6. Now this 3 to the power of 6 could be 3 to the power of 3 to the power of 3 in 2 places. That means I have 3 to the power of 3 to the power of 2, meaning that I'm having this in 2 places, right? Now let's get started. From here I can open this bracket now, so that if I do that, this is what I'm going to have. If I do that, I'm going to have 2 to the power of 3 times 3 to the power of 2, 3 to the power of 3 rather, then plus here I have 3 to the power 3 in 2 places. That would be 3 to the power 3 times 3 to the power of 3. Okay, then from here, what am I going to do? We have 3 to the power 3 in both of them, so I'll factor out 3 to the power 3. So when I do that, I'll have 3 to the power 3 as their common factor. Then here I have 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 3 plus here 3 to the power 3 has come out. Then here I have another 3 to the power of 3. Then close the brackets, right? And then from here I will have 3 to the power of 3 into brackets 2 to the power 3 is 8 plus 3 to the power 3 is 27. Then close this bracket. Okay, so what do? Now this is the same thing as 3 squared, right? 3 squared, because 3 to the power 3 is 3 squared times 3. Then into brackets 8 plus 7 is 35. Then close that bracket. So what do I do from here? Now square root of 3 squared is going to be 3, because the square root and the square will cancel each other, right? So that means 3 will come out because it's the square root of 3 squared. Then the square root will be for 3. It will be for this 3, open bracket 35. And then we can open the bracket fully, so that when we do that, we're going to have 3 root 3 times 35 will give us 105. And what was the problem we had before? We have everything equal to 3 root x. So let's compare this to 3 root x. So 3 can cancel this 3, and then it means that x is actually equal to 105.